have Amazon trading above $325. 2 weeks ago I announced for all those that they had short positions in Amazon that the stock shares were likely to break to the upside. So 2 weeks later, and I remind you that I already announced this when the shares they were trading at 303 to 05. 2 weeks later, when yesterday the stock tested once again the 305, in a matter of 24 hours, I repeat 24 hours, shares advanced more than $20 per share. So those that they had short positions in Amazon, they were quite profitable in the past few months. You had plenty of room to close and time to close short positions in Amazon and even to play the long side in Amazon according to the instructions that I announced already, I repeat, 2 weeks ago. So congratulations to all of you, and this is one more case study, making the most in the stock market on both sides of the market, and this has been followed with new highs in the tech sector in this ETF that is currently trading at 92.31 cents. I announced the target for the day in Amazon to be $325. The stock is up, I repeat, $20 per share in a matter of 24 hours. And I published recently the case study in this company, Netflix, explaining the advance of more than $110 since the pivot at 309. So the stock is trading at $425, a new high. Not a new 52-week high, but nevertheless a stock that you had opportunity to invest in again at 309. Also, I explained the recent advance in the stock market in other top performer, Chipotle, $385. The stock is now, $485 precisely on the day that Netflix traded at 309. The stock is now $564. So, wonderful profits in the US stock market in the best performers, in the best companies that I announced a long time ago, but also knowing when to take profits on the long side, because these stocks, they corrected significantly and you had to wait for them to correct significantly before jumping in. And finally, Apple, a long-term investment, strong buy since 394, which I called 1 year ago. And finally also Twitter, that today is trading at $34.50, a price that is already well above the closing short position that I announced at $30. So all of you had plenty of time and you can visit the website. And by visiting the website, you can play this case study in Twitter. And here you see the sell in Twitter at 73, and then finally the cover shorts in Twitter at $30, and you have Twitter today at 34.5, and several upgrades by Wall Street. Obviously, we all knew that this was going to happen. And we know precisely when to take profits on the short side and when to reverse to the long side to make the most ahead of Wall Street upgrades. So I leave you with these momentum stocks, the ETF that is here, the Qs, the new high, the quality companies, Apple, and the new high in Amazon, and finally the Chipotle case, that all stocks that they advanced significantly since the recent pivots that they were called, all of them in our video portal with 100% accuracy. So here you have all of them: Chipotle, Netflix, Apple, the Qs, and Amazon.